street like that.
Alright.
What are we on right now?
So, Avenue E. It's Avenue E and
North?
90. Yeah, it's North Avenue E and 90.
909 SO traffic. They'll be on North Avenue E on Texas Bravo 4 1776 Bravo 4 1776. How you doing? Good. Your wife will go? Yeah, you can't. Oh. God. Damn. Whew. Any damage? All right, for that, I'm gonna let you go. It jumped out of gear.
Then it was stuck.
It jumped out of gear. Yeah, you can't go around.
Well, the other one down there was already open.
We were just talking about that. It was. Does that one have an arm?
Yeah, and then the arm went up on it, and the cars were going across.
I think the next one over, they don't have an arm, but the next one over has an arm.
Yeah, well, they were going, you know, I'm sitting there going, wow.
Yeah, we were just talking about that, but we can't see the light.
Right.
But here you go. I gotta let you go, man. I appreciate it. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I was looking, I was like, watch that car.
Yeah. Good God.
I saw it moving. I said,
Did you?
Did you hear me holler at you?
No, cause.
Let him go or whatever. Yeah, I don't know if I saw that. Let's go back to the office. Let's say 10-8 traffic.